guys. I ordered 2 windows and they arrived today. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut the holes in the wall for the windows. I already drew and sketched the place where I want the window. So I'm gonna drill a hole from the inside to the outside. So I have a little bit an idea where the windows is gonna be. One window will become above the kitchen. I already marked where the kitchen is gonna be on the wall. So from there I marked where the window is gonna be. So this is the bottom part of the window and the center. So I'm gonna drill a hole to the outside, and then from the outside I'm gonna mark the windows, and then I'm gonna cut the holes on the outside, and then I'm gonna remove everything that's in the way on the inside. And for the other window, it's gonna be above the couch and below my bed. So you see the bottom part, this is so far the bed's coming out, and below that there's going to be the window. So let's make a start. So we cut the hole in the wall and the windows fit in. So what we have to do now to attach the window to the wall is we gotta fill the wall up to 3 centimeters to attach the window to, because there are screws that just need to be in a wall of 3 centimeters thick, and this wall is only 2 millimeters. So we gotta fill it up, and we're gonna glue this piece of wood all around the wall, and then we can screw the window in and glue it on its place. So let's do that.
problem update. Last night we glued the skylight in. And it won't open now. So I think already what the problem is, but we're gonna take a look on the roof. So let's go.